Hey guys, Brickshire Bob here, Turkey John Xbox Live, and I'm going to be playing the new Call of Duty Ghost that came out. Yeah, I've been playing around with it, and right now, I just want to be a noob and use the chainsaw, just for fun. Used it twice. This is my second time. My friends at school have been asking me to use the telling me to use the chainsaw. They say it's good.
Time to work, soldiers.
And I'm usually better than this, see? Like my other classes. But right now, I want to use the chainsaw. It's being new. I haven't been posting videos because I just feel like being, I just don't ever get around to it. That's this one. So yeah, if I shut up, it's because I'm concentrating. And I'm having this is a hard angle to see. I'm posting videos because I'm posting videos because I just haven't. I've not been getting around to it. I even stopped recording, but I got back to it. Okay. And right now I'm second. The last game I was like 23 and second. And wow, I cannot kill people. 3 times.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Right now I'm not doing good, and I'm gonna shut up. So enjoy. Oh yeah, I might switch guns. To give you a more of a look. Ow. You know what, just for you guys. I've been using the Honey Badger, but I've been getting bored of it, so as yet. Noob. Oh, what the? Oh, there's a dog. Kills this stuff.
Friendly SATCOM active.
Yeah, that was a fail.
Enemy SATCOM spotted. Enemy SATCOM spotted.
God, I did that. Oh. You know, this game, you need a lad ticket.
SATCOM ready. Friendly SATCOM active.
Crap.
We're losing this fight. Destroy your SATCOM.
this video might not even be posted, but there's some problems. It's not gonna leave me. Are you serious? Shit. God. It's embarrassing. Of course I do that on YouTube. Sometimes that happens. Whenever I do YouTube, I always seem to do better when I do YouTube videos. I do better than I would if I was just playing regularly. I don't even get to see. Oh come on! I should just teabag someone. That's the fun one. It's so easy. Yeah, I don't even know that's up there. I just must know this. Yep, and that was a COD Ghost for you, and you get to watch the kill here. I know I'm gonna get like 40 because it's the first month of Ghost. But yeah, I'm Richard Bob. Richard Bob, and hope you like it. Like, subscribe. See ya.